remember that everybody you meet, when you have to use the restroom, when you go to some gas station, the lady in the gas station, her house flooded too. You know, I mean, everybody here was affected.
This is the house that we'll be working on for most of the day, I think, all the teams. Alright, so I nailed up some baseboard with the terrifying nail gun right here. And when we started today, we had a big pile of plywood and a room full of junky old plywood. And now, almost finished. Got all new walls up. They're taking off some shoddy shingle work. And I'll be redoing it. This is a tedious job my brother and I began about an hour ago. You can see there's this really uneven cement all over the bathroom floor. We have no goggles. And I've had pieces of rock flying in my eyeballs. That's why he's taking over, because he doesn't mind going blind. He already has better than 20/20 vision, and I'm wearing contacts. So he can suffer a little loss. Take one for the team. The backboard. And we're taking out the toilet. And last night he smoked me in Guitar Hero 2. Brother is preoccupied because he found a TV and he brought Guitar Hero.